Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to the ghost town of Doel. Right there are the nuclear reactors that are nearby the town, but those are not the reasons why this is a ghost town. It's actually another reason. So without further ado, let's fast forward a little bit so we can go ahead and take a look. So according to the GPS we are 4 minutes away. So the reason why this is called a ghost town is because almost nobody lives here anymore. And why is a very long story, but to make it a little bit shorter is that there is a dock right there nearby the water, and Belgium wanted to expand the docks somewhere in the 1900s. And during a lot of that time it was the inhabitants were prohibited from renovating or fixing their house. So those houses became just in a bad shape. A lot of people also just left this town because Belgium wanted to evict people, but it was really just bribing them to go out of their house. They would give them money and so that there would be no more inhabitants there. But yeah, luckily there has been an investigation to prove that there is that the town is still livable, even though the docks are nearby, and that meant that the people didn't have to leave anymore. So, but by the time that decision had been made, houses look like this, just not taken care of. But this makes it a cool destination to go ahead and check out. Certainly for bikers. There's a lot of motorcyclists that come here just to look around. And today I am one of them. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this town looks like now. Well, yeah, the church actually looks in decent shape. Nice. There we go. I had to change the battery of the GoPro Hero 5, but not of the Insta 360. That one offers more than 50%, while the GoPro is empty. Tells you something about the capacity, huh? So yeah, if you live in Belgium and you need a destination to ride to or something, or maybe if you're a foreigner visiting Belgium, I would suggest riding here and taking a look around at this ghost town. Pretty cool to see. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like, and certainly don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and ride safe. Right, so maybe something important: if you plan on coming by car, sometimes those poles are coming out of the asphalt, so you can't always enter this town with a car. See that? You can't always enter. So let's see if there's hours or something. It's still inhabited and stuff, but and there's a tavern. Cool. Oh yeah, that's a tavern. But no, it doesn't say when you can enter. Of course, the villagers can enter, but not just anyone. All right. See you later. Bye.